Gonna take you down, deep down to the front line.
Hello and welcome to Backdoor 3D. My name is Steve and today's video is the first in the series of quick tips for DAZ Studio, and I'll be covering a topic that's come up quite a lot lately in view banking or Dutch camera angle. So let's get into it. First of all, I've loaded a scene here that's it's all iRay. It's just to basically showcase the view banking. Now there's three ways you can do it, or more actually, but I'm going to show you. The first way that most people normally do it is to use, with the camera selected in the parameters tab, use the Z axis to rotate the view. That's okay, it works, but there are easier ways to do it, especially if you don't have parameters open at the time. So I'll undo that. You can see up here you've got your viewport controls, and set the view back to normal, your frame, whatever you have selected, zoom in and out, dolly side to side, up and down, and your orbit. Up here you'll see the little menu with all the little bars and the arrow on it. Now if you click on that, you will see docked view controls. Okay, at the moment the banking icon, or the view bank icon, is not standard in the viewport controls. However, if you click that, it will dock it. So you no longer have your view cube, but you do have your banking. And it's a bit twitchy, I have to say. But it does work. Depends on how sensitive your mouse is, I suppose, and mine's overly sensitive. Now, if you don't like that with the view controls docked, all you have to do is click again here and enable cube view controls. Okay. That's the first two. You can also, if you look under your window panes, you'll see that there's a view pane here. Now I already have it open, and I have it over here, which gives you all the controls that you have here, plus the view banking, your dolly. You can aim the view, which I'll discuss in another video, and you can also remove it from here if you like and just have it floating. I think it gets in the way over here, and I don't use it very much, so I just put it back where it was. Now there are the third way. I think it's the third way. I may have lost count. There are shortcut keys, and they are the O key and the U key. The U key will bank to the right. If you're looking at your screen, it's on your right, and the O key will bank to the left. Which method you prefer to use is entirely up to you. They all work. But yeah, that's view banking, or what they call Dutch angle. Well, thank you for watching, and if you like it, please hit the like button, and of course, as ever, please subscribe and hit the little notification bell, and you'll get informed when I upload new videos. And this is my first with my voice in it. I hope you can understand my Australian accent. Well, catch you in the next video. Cheers for now.